Hi, everyone. It's good to see all of you. This is Shalene Kim from Everest. Really excited to finish off the year strong. So happy holidays, and I'm wishing you the best new year. My message for 2022 is whatever your goal is, it could be something really big, something small. I always say stay focused, stay consistent, that inspiration will come, that passion will come out, and all the goals that you've set out, you will 100% make it. So wishing you all the best. Thanks so much. See you in the new year. Bye.
My name is Michel Gagne. I'm with Canada Protection Plan, and I wish everyone happy holidays, happy new year, all the best, all the success, and health, of course, that we deserve for the new year. So, I think we need to be positive, stay positive. That's what's important. 2021 was, a really hard year for, COVID, being inside. So, but that got us to reflect on how we are as people. And again, I wish that you stay positive, you set your goals for the year high for you to attain them. Be personal goals, be it family goals, be it business goals, education goals, being the best at what you do. And regardless of what you do, it doesn't matter if you're a homemaker, it doesn't matter if you're president of the company. Between all of those, everybody's important. Everybody has a goal in life. Everybody has, a use in life also. So again, I just hope that we're able to reflect on what we lived to be able to accomplish and be the best of what is demanded of us. And that's us that demand that. No one else. We demand ourselves to be good at what we do, regardless, again, of what our roles are, our titles are. We are people, and we deal with people day in and day out. So let's be good to our fellow, neighbor, people, friends, and family. And again, all the best. Thank you.
This is Ellie from Strategy Hive. I would like to wish you happy holidays and a happy new year. For 2022, try not to take things too seriously. Just work hard and be happy.
Hi, my name is Kiran Danuta. I'm a financial security advisor, and we have survived in 2021. So I wish everybody happy new year and happy holidays. I hope you guys are all safe. So my message for everybody is that God has given us one life. Make it best out of it. And stay positive. Work hard, right? And then dream big and never give up. With this, Happy New Year to all of you and your family. Cheers. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. My name is Richard Burgess. I'm from Everest Funeral Concierge. You saw me earlier this year on the podcast. It was a great time for education. But my time today here is just to wish you a happy holiday season for both you and yours. I know we might have had a tough time in 2021, but I think my message for this year, message for 22, is all about coming together. Whether you had a great year, whether you really thrived or not, really it's all about coming together, support each other, think about the people in your life who maybe you haven't connected with in a while, maybe reach out, see how they're doing. Let's all come together in 2022, make it a successful year for everyone we know and love. But thanks so much, everybody. You guys take care.
Greetings. My name is Patrick Maillard. I'm a physicist, entrepreneur, and consultant for the LMS Center. I'd like to wish you and your family members a happy holidays and a wonderful year 2022. My word of advice for a great year is get into the AAA mode. No, it is not a sport league, but rather a strategic acronym. The first A stands for attitude. Understand that nothing changes until your attitude changes. You can change car, but if you don't take care of it, it will deteriorate quickly. You can change profession, but if you don't have a growth mindset or self-discipline, you won't be productive. A student can change program, teacher, but if he's not focused in class and have organization skill, he will obtain the same results. Therefore, the year 2022 can be a mirror image or a replication of 2021 unless your attitude changes. To change your attitude, you have to change your thinking. How you think determine how you act. The second A stands for aspiration. Before you get something major in 2022, you have to see it, envision it. Your graduation, work promotion, wedding, houses, new business. The principle of thinking tells you how you think determine how you act, but it also has an effective and twin principle which says what you see also determines how you act. When an engineer visualizes a new technological tool, his next step is to do a design plan or drawing, then get the equipment to build it. In parallel, once you see you visualize your goal, your objective, you will go through a sequence or a series of steps to achieve it. Finally, the third A stands for action. Understand that the common denominator for all successful people is that they are action-oriented. They act outwardly on what they see inwardly. If you just desire it, want it, wish it, it is not sufficient. Actually, some of you have wishes from 2019, 2020, 2021, and you will see multiple wishes for 2022. Listen to me carefully. A wish remain a wish until there's an action to activity. Let me say one last time. A wish will remain a wish in your life until there is an action to activate this wish. It always requires an action to fulfill a wish. Wish it and get it is a Santa Claus formula, but not a success formula. To get to what you envision in 2022, you will have to act strategically on what you see inwardly. And as you make that paradigm shift in your mind, and then you apply this basic strategic AAA mode, I believe that you will have one of your best years. It was Patrick Maynard. Wish you all the best.
We interrupt this broadcast for a special message.
Hi everybody, my name is Richard L'Espérance. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to everybody who participated in this holiday special. It means a lot to me. Happy holidays to all of you and a happy new year. Like I said, my name is Richard. I'm the host of this podcast. Welcome to A Better Lifestyle. This podcast is for people who want to do more in life professionally. So if everything is going great for you professionally, keep moving forward, do your thing, and stay focused. But if things are not so well at the moment, always stay hopeful, stay positive, and keep your head up. So my message for 2022 is keep fighting the good fight. So if you have something in your heart that you really want to do, keep fighting for it. Your journey can have many detours along the way until you reach your destination. So always stay on the plus side, meaning say yes to all. Say yes to winning. Say yes to prosperity. Say yes to success. Say yes for a wonderful life, and always do your best. So on that note, Happy New Year to everybody. All the best, and I'll see you on the new year. Bye.